Your local business is missing out on this free marketing resource. Let's talk about what it is and how you can use it. Hey guys, Abby Johnson here with Matterhorn Business Development. I'm the CEO and Profit First Professional here at Matterhorn. I'm the one working with our clients on a day-to-day basis. And what I'm going to talk about today may seem obvious to some people, but I am making this video because it is not obvious to a lot of people, and I feel like it needs to be talked about. There is a free resource that every business could be using that some are not, and this resource is an email list. If you're already an online business, you're doing business online, you're a creator or a coach or something like that, I'm sure you are well versed in emails, and this video probably isn't for you. I'm really talking here to the local business owner who is servicing their community with their services or products, and I have talked to so many people, and it just blows my mind how many people are not using their email lists. I'm talking about people who have 10, 20, 30,000 people on their email list. I am not joking here. 30,000 people on their email list, and they are not sending emails to them. Outreach of any type is so important for your business. This is what marketing is outreach. You can do it on so many channels. You can do it through ads, direct contact, referrals, whatever it may be. And just email lists are so underutilized by local businesses. If you are not using your email list, you are literally leaving money on the table. I'm not exaggerating. So let's talk about this more, some reasons why maybe you don't want to use your email list, and I want to give you some ideas on what you can use your email list for. So the number one thing I hear from people is they don't want to bother people. Listen, you're in business to help people. Whatever you're doing, your service helps people in some way, and if they have come and given you money to help them, then I'm sure the majority of them appreciate your help, want and need your help. So if you have an email list of, even if it's not 10, 20, 30,000 people, even if it's 500 people that you have helped with your business, they want to hear from you. The majority of them do want to hear from you and want to come back and be helped by you. Now, yes, people are going to unsubscribe. But who cares? That's fine. They don't want to hear from you, and that's fine. If you send emails to 100 people and one person unsubscribes, that's just one person. That's 1%. You have 99 other people who are fine with getting emails from you and probably welcome them. So let's talk about some ways you can use your email list and not be annoying while you do so. So first of all, you can use your email list for seasonal specials, any sort of special that you're running. People want to know about this. For example, if you're a window washer and maybe your slow season is winter, so you're running a winter special. If I'm a past customer from a year ago or 2 years ago and I haven't gotten my windows washed and you have a special, ooh, this is great. I'll take advantage of this. I haven't even been thinking about washing my windows, but I really should, and they're running a special. Boom, money right there that I would not have given you if I had not received that email. Another example, I took my son to a local kids play interactive class, and she moves around our county, the instructor, and I told her, you need to send out emails. I want to know when you're in my area. And I had to go to her Instagram and scroll through and find her schedule, but if she had just sent me an email saying, hey, I'm in your area this week, I would have signed up for her class. But I recently found out she didn't send out an email, and I missed out on the class, which is missing out money for her and happiness for me and my son. So obviously, if you're in a business like that where you're doing education or you have some sort of schedule, you want to keep your customer list updated of that schedule. If you feel like you don't really have anything to say, and that's one of the things holding you back from sending out emails, you do have to get a little bit creative. So maybe you need to send out an occasional newsletter of local events or events happening within your business or tips related to your business. So if you're a local CPA, I'm on the list of a local CPA, even though she's actually not my CPA. And she sends out, hey guys, these tax deadlines are coming up, or hey, I'm having a QuickBooks class, or hey, we're celebrating Julie's work anniversary in our office and we're so proud that she's been with us for a year. She's such a valuable team member. So there are these different kinds of content that you could be sending out in emails. And the important thing here is, even if it's not a direct special or schedule or something like that, it's still a touch point with your customer to keep you top of mind with them. So for example, with the CPA, I'm on her list. She sends out these things. I'm not her client, but maybe something happens with my other CPA and I want to leave or get a new one. Who's the first person I'm going to think of? Probably this person who I'm getting emails from on a regular basis. A good way of creating that email content too is looking at what you're already posting on social media. I know a lot of people who are focusing on social media and creating those content pieces for social media, but they don't really think about how that can translate to email. You can literally post the same content from social media and just put it in an email newsletter. Some people aren't going to see your social media post. Maybe they see your social media post and the email and it just reminds them to take action. Again, most people aren't going to be annoyed by this. I know we all get a lot of emails on a daily basis, but I stay subscribed to the businesses and places that I want to hear from and be reminded about. What I suggest for you is to pick a regular sending schedule. So maybe that's once a week, maybe it's once every other week. I would suggest more than once a month. I know that more than that can sometimes feel like too much, but your business needs to be having that constant outreach to your community and your customer base. So you need to be doing it more than once a month. All right, so I hope this has given you some ideas and inspired you to start sending out emails if you aren't already. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, if you need to brainstorm some ideas or anything like that. I'd love to hear from you. If you are sending out emails already, let us know in the comments below any successes that you can share with the other viewers here of how that's helped you in your business. And of course, check out our channel sponsors, MetaPulse. They are our one-stop shop for everything growth management. So if you want to grow your business, you need to have MetaPulse to help track your growth. If you feel like you need help growing your business and becoming more profitable, check out how to work with us in the description below. And of course, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. I'll see you next time.